Welcome back, y'all boys, y'all girls. Today we at Pembroke Lakes Mall again. I don't care. I'm gonna keep coming here. The food too good. But we was invited by Indulge BBQ food truck. I was here last week. They gave me a little sample, little ad. I said, oh yeah, I need to come make a video on this. So we here. Also, Trippy Red stamped them, said they valid, said they're real ones. So let's go see. Let's see if they know what they talk about. Off the bat, we got us baked beans. Now, baked beans, you know, could be either bland or amazing. So let's just hop in. If it was hotter, gas. But it's really good, sweet. I taste the brown sugar. Seasoned right. I don't think it got meat in it, which I'm fine with. I like a little vegetarian beans. I really like that. Mac Daddy of them all. You got us a jerk chicken mac and cheese bowl. Indeed, it do look a little crazy. I can admit that. But I already know it's been fire. Let's try the mac and cheese. Big bite. Mac and cheese, smoky, seasoned, cheesy. Big bite. It's real good. Let's try this jerk chicken. Okay, it's not like Jamaica jerk, but it's good jerk. Like he grilling it while as we speak. I'm looking at him right now. He grilling it. You can taste it. It's grilled perfectly, seasoned right. Personally, I like my jerk spicy, but not everybody do that. Big bite. Also, they put that hickory barbecue sauce. That's what this yellow tin is. But this is really good. Also got me an Indulge punch. Not too sure what it is. Big bite. Sorry. Smell good though.